Benefits of turmeric in terms of medical aspects. Turmeric is known as a food supplement that has a distinctive taste and color. Not only used as a kitchen spice, people often use it to overcome various health needs. Turmeric has a chemical compound called curcumin. The yellow coloring agent is thought to be able to help the healing process in the body. Here are some benefits that might be obtained from turmeric. The benefits of turmeric have long been believed to help overcome various health problems, including osteoarthritis. Turmeric can help reduce pain in people with osteoarthritis, a condition that causes joints to become painful, stiff, and lose flexibility. A study states that the performance of turmeric is comparable with the ibuprofen drug in treating osteoarthritis. If you want to try to reduce pain due to osteoarthritis, you can take turmeric extract at a dose of 500 mg twice a day. Itchy skin. Based on a study, itchy skin due to chronic kidney disease can be overcome by consuming a combination of products containing curcumin and extract of black pepper or long pepper. Skin rash. Skin irritation due to lichen planus can be overcome by consuming certain products that contain the chemical elements of turmeric. Menstrual problems. Surely you often see advertisements of drinks containing turmeric and claim to be able to overcome the pain due to menstruation. According to several studies, taking turmeric supplements can relieve the pain. However, further research is still needed to prove this. Gastric ulcer. Some studies state that stomach ulcers can be overcome by consuming turmeric. Dyspepsia, ulcer. According to research, eating turmeric can also help reduce symptoms of flatulence in patients with dyspepsia. Cancer. According to several studies, curcumin can reduce the growth of new blood vessels in tumors, spread of cancer, and contribute to cancer cell death. Side effects of turmeric. Until now, there have been no side effects from using turmeric at low doses. One study noted that there were no side effects in people who consumed 490 mg of turmeric every day for a week. However, turmeric consumed in excessive amounts can make the heartbeat become abnormal. It is recommended that consumption of turmeric as a supplement be carried out carefully, and avoided by pregnant and lactating mothers, diabetics, people with bleeding disorders, men who want to have children, iron-deficient people, and patients who will undergo surgery. The benefits of turmeric cannot be fully ascertained, because it still requires further evidence and research. However, considering there have been studies that give a positive value to their efficacy, there is no harm in trying to treat this herb. Even so, before consuming turmeric as a treatment companion, consult your doctor first.